Welcome back to C#.NET Tutorials. I'm Venkat. In this video, we are going to learn how we can print something onto the console window. Also, we are going to look at the differences between WriteLine and Write method. So here I have written Console.WriteLine, and this is the class name. Console is the class name and WriteLine is the method name. And using this parenthesis, we can call a method in C#. And here you can see whatever we are passing in double quotes, we can call that as a string. We are passing the string. You can hover onto it. You can see class system.string. This one is a string. We are passing string to the WriteLine method and asking it to print it. So what if we want to print the number, not a string? So if you want to print the number, so that is also possible. What if you want to print the Boolean values? So like this. What if you want to print the decimal or floating numbers? Okay, like this. So you can print any type of data using the WriteLine method. Okay, let us run this one. Here you can see all different types printed onto the console. That's because this WriteLine has 18 different implementations for each type. So this one is for string type implementation. This one is for number type, that means integer type definition. This one is for Boolean type, you can see Boolean type, and this one is for double type. Okay, so like that there are different versions. So if you want to look at all those versions, you can open this parenthesis again and you can see. So there are 18 different implementations provided for that WriteLine method. So you can see. Let's come from the beginning. So first implementation is a So you can see first implementation is without providing anything, void. Okay. Second implementation is printing Boolean values. Third implementation is printing character values, printing character array, and printing decimal numbers. Sixth implementation is double, float, int, long, object, string, unsigned int, unsigned long, string, string format and arguments. String format and arguments. Dynamic parameters. Character array index count. Format args 1, 2, like that. There are different implementations provided to support different scenarios. Okay. So that is the WriteLine method. So this console is defined inside the system namespace. You can see this. So if you hover onto this console, it is saying System.Console. System is a namespace. Usually we need to import that namespace here, but with the help of global usings, so we can define these globally. So we don't need to import separately in this file. Okay, this is WriteLine. Let us look at the Write. Okay, I'm copying the same set of lines and I want to use the Write. So I'm removing a line. Okay, console.write. So above 4 statements are WriteLine, below 4 statements are Write. I'm running this application. You can see here, these are the first 4 statements printed one line after another, right? So every time it printed onto the new line. But if you look at the next 4 lines, it printed everything onto the same line. Hello world and 1, 2, 3 and true and 34.56. So if you want to print onto the same line, you can use write If you want to print and go to the next line, you can use write line. Okay. So I'll show you the difference clearly. Now let me delete this. Console.read key. So if we put read key, it will wait for us to press any key. Okay. So now I am running this application. Let me zoom it. So you can see here, it printed our message onto the console and it came to the next line and waiting for key. Okay. It came to the next line waiting for the key. Okay. The moment we press the key, it is waiting for the key in the next line. And the moment we press the key, so the program is executed and it completed. Okay. So now let me close this. And now let us write the console.write instead of WriteLine. So we have seen WriteLine. WriteLine will print the message and go to the next line. It will wait. Okay. So now I am running it. This time you can see here. So it printed the message and waiting in the same line. You can see here. So it is waiting in the same line. That's the difference. So if you use console.write, it will print and wait after that immediately in the same line. If you want to go to next line after printing, you can use console.WriteLine. Okay. So that's the difference between console.write and console.WriteLine. This is about console.WriteLine, which is used to print something onto the console. In the next video, let us read something from the console. Okay. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.